video, we're going to come back to the demonstration circuit of the last video, but we're going to measure it with an oscilloscope. So there's 8 divisions going up for the voltage there. We can change what voltage each division is, but we're going to keep it 1 volt per division, which I normally use. And we're going to use 7 volts right there, so that we use 7 of those divisions. I have current limited to 0.1 amps, 100 milliamps, because capacitors take a big rush of current to charge or discharge if you short circuit them. So this pocket oscilloscope has a cable with alligator clips. You could attach different type of cable if you want, but I just clipped them to jumper so we can take measure points. We're measuring the voltage of the 100 microfarad capacitor here. So somewhat large value, but not extremely large. 1000 microfarad is about as large as you'll see in most circuits. So in any case, there we go. I accidentally shorted it, so it discharged. But we went to the positive spot. There you can see it charged instantly right there. And it's going to hold that charge. Now it's going to drift down a little bit because this is not a high impedance pocket oscilloscope. It has about 1,000,000 ohms of resistance approximately. So the when it comes to measuring voltages. So it is going to discharge this regular capacitor fairly quickly. And when we discharge, you notice a sudden drop as current flow of voltage. So as that current comes out, the voltage drops. That's the basic rule. The larger capacitor stores more current per volt. And so it would take longer, and the LED would stay bright longer. So in any case, you can see we stopped about 2 volts. That's because the LED has a forward voltage, this blue LED, of about 3 volts. But it starts conducting at about 2.5 volts, somewhat well. And then current will trickle through below from about 2.5 to 2 volts. But you can see at 2 volts, it doesn't look like any current really is getting through the LED at all. Our drift down is based on the resistance of the pocket oscilloscope, the impedance.